What's going on, guys? Kyle Bradshaw from Nelson-Rigg here. We're at the Adventure Days here at the Rawhide Car facility, and I'm just installing my new DoubleTake 2.0 mirrors. That's right, 2.0. Now, all of my motorcycles, as well as our shop bikes, this guy here is our 690, feature DoubleTake mirrors. Now, the reason that we run DoubleTake mirrors is because you can move them, or if you fall over off-road, the mirror just folds up like this instead of breaking off. Now, most people upgrade to DoubleTake mirrors after they broke one of their OEM mirrors, because an OEM mirror is usually like $60 to $80 for a single mirror. We're here for 155 bucks, you get a pair of mirrors. Now, DoubleTake has done some rad upgrades with the new 2.0 system that we have right over here. The first of those are going to be the mirror arm itself is a little bit longer than this mirror arm over here. The other thing we're going to see is we have a larger ball here at the bottom, a 1.5 inch ball versus a traditional 1 inch ball. And then they used to have a sticker here that they put on the back that says DoubleTake. Most people didn't put the stickers on or the stickers fall off. So what they've done now is they've actually printed DoubleTake here or cast it into the actual mirror housing. Now, the biggest upgrade and difference between the traditional DoubleTakes and the new version is going to be the fact that they're now all DoubleTake components. So DoubleTake makes the ball, they make the arm, they make the mirror. In olden days, you used a ram arm and a ram ball, and the DoubleTake part was just the mirror here itself. Now, the balls that Ram uses to go into the handlebar right here is a solid rubber ball that goes around a small shank. What happens is when this clamp is on here for a certain duration of time, for me, it's usually about a year or so, the ball ends up cracking or it gets deformed, and then I need to get a new ball. So it's 10 bucks for a new ball. It's not really a deal breaker, but the new upgraded version is pretty rad. Take this off so you can see. So take a look down here. So now we have an aluminum casting on the inside of this round ball, and then a bolt goes straight down through. That's gonna make this ball not be crushable. It's gonna maintain its shape, and it's just a fantastic way to go. The other upgrade that I noticed when doing this installation and taking a look at the kit. So this is the kit as you get it. This is one side of the Adventure 2.0 mirror system. You used to have to choose which ball you wanted as a separate option because each of the balls had a different base on it. And what they're doing now is they're giving you a ball, they're giving you a lock washer, and they're giving you all of the bolts that you would need in order to complete the application for nearly any motorcycle. We've got reverse thread bolts right over here that you would use for like a 390 Adventure or a BMW. And then you have standard bolts. You got 8mm, 10mm, all kinds of fun stuff inside here. If your bike takes one of these really long bolts, there's actually a spacer that you would put in order to take up that extra space. And yeah, so all the mounting options are all covered in this one kit. Another neat feature that DoubleTake does is when you buy a DoubleTake mirror, they give you a koozie. Your mirror comes wrapped in a koozie so it stays protected in transit, and you have something to put your beverage in when you're doing your installation or after you get done with your first epic ride with your DoubleTake mirrors. Now, the arm is a little bit different on this new batch. I'm not quite sure that I like it. So in the olden days, you see that this mirror arm sits up by itself. There's actually a spring inside the ram arm that allows it to stay in that position, and then you bring the mirror over, set it in place, and make your connection. This new arm doesn't have that spring in there, so it's kind of loosey-goosey. When you set it on here, it's not going to go ahead and sit, it's going to fall over. Obviously, this isn't the right ball because it's a 1 inch instead of 1.5, but you kind of get the point. But DoubleTake mirrors are amazing. They've also made this handle, instead of being fat and chunky, they made it skinny and taller. So the amount of torque that you can actually put on the mirror when you're adjusting it is just a little bit more. Big shout out to DoubleTake mirrors. Thank you guys so much for providing these mirrors for Nelson-Rigg. We're going to see these in the catalog from here to come. We have them on our 690. I've got them on the 1190, the 950, and the 390. So take a look at the link down below where you can get your own DoubleTake mirrors. They're great for riding off-road. If you know you're going to get into super tight situations, you can just fold them in like this and get them out of the way. Or what happens most of the time is when you're out there and you happen to fall over and you run into a tree or something, the mirrors are just going to move out of the way instead of breaking. They do have a warranty as well. They say they are unbreakable. So if you break one, give DoubleTake a call and they'll send you out a new component. I'm Carl Bradshaw. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, take care and ride safe out there.